Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my everyday look. It's so simple and I think anyone can achieve it. I'm going to start with my foundation first. I'm putting both the soft matte and the hydrating foundation together from Fenty just because I love how the formulas combine. You've seen my base several times. I'm just going to run through it quickly with you. So after applying my foundation, I move on to my concealer, which is to highlight under my eyes, forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. So you want to make sure everything is blended and seamless. So I take my concealer into my eyelid just so that area isn't isolated. Once that's done, I just get my foundation brush and I blend it all together. So next up, we are going to contour. So I'm only contouring my nose because, again, it's an everyday look. I just want to put my makeup on and be on my way. Okay, once you've done that, just blend it out. So next, we're going to set. I like to set with my pressed powder because it acts as a base before using my loose setting powder. Now this will be a step that I recommend for everyone just because it really does help prevent flashbacks. So even if baking is your thing or if you actually just forgot you had setting powder on your face, this will really help eliminate that. And I also do it for my eyebrows, as you already know. So now using my Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder, I'm just going to go in and set every single area that I highlighted. And set my brows too. So moving on to my Fenty Beauty Profiltr Honey Setting Powder. I use this for an added security, especially when I'm going to do my eyes next. It also really does help highlight. And now to the eyes, I'm using the Miimii Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay, using the shade Strike. It's such a beautiful burgundy brown that I feel like looks so good on any skin tone. But once I've applied that, I then move on to combining Wild Thing and Heist, and this just adds as like a transition color to offset that brown and to really add some depth. So just keep working that color in and making sure it's all blended. Once you're done with the top, you move to the bottom and you do the same thing. So off camera, I put my lashes on and I put some mascara on both the top and bottom of my lashes. So I swept the excess loose powder off my face using a brush and just blended it into my skin in a circular motion. Right next is a bronzing process. I love this bronzer by Fenty Beauty and I'm using the shade Mocha Mami. I'm obsessed, okay, with Fenty Beauty. You should know this already. So what I do with my bronzer is I just take it on my forehead, around my face, and you can literally play around with whatever you want to do with bronzer. Create that nice sun-kissed glow and keep it moving. And then after that, I just put my cognac candy highlighter right above my cheekbones, my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, my inner eye corner, and the side of my forehead. And to complete the look, I put on a clear gloss off camera and putting on the What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. And voila! Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to create more content like this, please subscribe, like, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you guys in my next video.